right, we're eating dinner at Emeril's Bistro here on Carnival Mardi Gras. Sadly, it's day 6 of 7. Today we were in Grand Turk. We didn't have an opportunity to film a lot, but we've had an amazing time. The menu is super good. They have a seafood bar, small plates, a little more section which has like your traditional Cajun, New Orleans, Louisiana food. The sweets, of course, look amazing. We're gonna opt in for the beignets. All right, we're at Emeril's. Chris has already placed our order. Just so y'all know, when Emeril's is not included, it's not a part of the included food options here on Carnival Mardi Gras.
So we got a few entrees. Like the entrees range from like $7 to $10. The appetizers range from like $3 to maybe $7, and they have a few desserts that are around $5 to $6. So it's actually really affordable, and the food is really good qualities. All right, so one of the dishes we ordered was the red beans and rice. It comes with obviously white rice, red beans, and andouille sausage. And yeah, classic New Orleans dish. Emeril's is known for it. So this is only $3, and it's actually a lot of food. So a great deal. And yeah, ready to dig in here. It's delicious. The only criticism is it probably needs a little salt, but other than that, it's great. Definitely recommend.
All right, so the crispy Boudin balls just arrived, and they look absolutely amazing. I think they're like $6, and it's got some sort of sauce on the bottom, some sort of mayonnaise sauce, I think. But I'm gonna dig in, let you know how it is. My sisters were right. Emeril's is the best food on the ship. I know you pay for this food. It's not free, but it's a nominal cost. It's not that expensive. And to get something like this on a cruise ship is it's amazing. It's crispy, you got the rice, and I think there's like some sort of meat in here. Some sort of sausage. So you get sausage, rice, and this crispy, almost panko exterior. It's not bad for $6, and you get 4 of them total. Y'all, the peel and eat shrimp is amazing. I think it's market price, which I believe is about $20 a pound, which really isn't bad for how large these shrimp are. Just take a look. It comes with 2 different sauces, clarified butter, and I think like a tartar sauce. Got lemon, and yeah, if you don't like shrimp heads on your plate, maybe this isn't for you, but they look absolutely amazing. Guys, again, I apologize. Nachitoches, meat pies are just stupid good. If you're from Nachitoches, and
I don't think it's a city, but okay.
It is a city.
Is it? Okay.
Nachitoches.
I thought you were talking about Nacogdoches.
I have not had that much to drink. Anyway, the meat pies at Emeril's Bistro here on Carnival Mardi Gras. When I say stupid good, that's a good thing. Like, these are absolutely delicious. Fried to perfection. The meat in here is delicious. Every culture has a fried meat pie. Fried dough is fried dough, right? Fried dough with some sort of meat. And it's amazing, and it tastes amazing in any culture. So this is a highly recommend from Random Recess. If you're coming on Mardi Gras, get the meat pies. All right, we're trying so much food here. Again, so far there's not been a single item that's not been amazing. So the Muffleetta here, I'm gonna take a bite. Classic New Orleans sandwich. Oh my God. Okay, that bread is not Carnival bread. They're bringing that in. They're bringing this in. We gotta find out. This tastes just like, I think it's City Market in New Orleans, where we had the Muffleetta. This tastes amazing. Like, it tastes super authentic. No wonder it's the best food on the ship, because it's not from Carnival. No shade to Carnival, but this is one of the best Muffleetta sandwiches I've had. At first I looked at it, it's small, but it's cut into 4 pieces. It's more than enough food. It's a great price for a sandwich like this. The bread is crispy, perfectly toasted, not dry at all. super flavorful. You know, it's got the sesame seeds, and then you've got the, of course, the cold cuts, and then the olive tapenade, and of course you got to have cheese. It came piping hot still, so right out of, you know, right off the grill. And then it's cute. They give you some potato chips and all the sandwiches, you know, everything is getting served in these little baskets. So this is the Muffleetta at Emeril's Bistro on Carnival Mardi Gras.
All right, so we also got, in addition to the Muffleetta, we got the fried shrimp and oyster po' boy. And obviously when you come to Emeril's and you're talking about Cajun food, you can't leave without trying a po' boy, right? So we got it fully dressed with the lettuce, tomato, onion, and mayo. Delicious. Let's give it a shot. It's on the soft French bread. If it's anything like the bread that the Muffleetta was on, it's going to be A++. So let's give it a shot. Oh my god. Yes. Yes.
Those are okay.
Okay, everything is perfectly fried.
Did you like
It's really the bread that sets it off. Let me just say, the
you like
bread
your po'
sets
boy?
this off.
those?
It's flaky, it's soft, it's warm. It's everything you want French bread to be. The toppings are obviously great. The shrimp and the oysters, you know, like I said, they're really well fried, but to me it's the bread. The bread makes the sandwich, and this is really great French bread that you would find in the French Quarter in New Orleans.
What's really set the Mardi Gras apart for me and for Chris and our group versus other Carnival cruises has been really the piazza panini.
The quick service.
The quick service in general, but piazza panini has been fantastic. The pizza's better as well, but every sandwich at piazza panini, and now Emeril's. Shebang, the flavor was good, but the concept is a hot mess. Quite frankly, skip shebang, you're not missing anything. Skip the main dining room. It's just a lot of, you know, repetitive food that you've had. Eat at Emeril's. Eat those panini sandwiches. They're delicious.
All right, guys, so the beignets came. They look amazing. If you've ever been to like Cafe du Monde or Cafe Beignet in the French Quarter in New Orleans, you know what a beignet should taste like and look like. And this is exactly what they should look like. Lots of powdered sugar, super hot fried dough. Like Abed said earlier, fried dough is fried dough. What's bad about that? But they also give you a strawberry and a chocolate dipping sauce. And they give you 6 to an order, and it's only $5. So I think it's a good deal. You can get these with breakfast as well if you want to get a coffee with your beignets. But we opted for dessert, so we're gonna try to manage to fit them in somewhere in our stomachs. We'll see. And they come out really hot. Wow, they're boiling lava hot. All right. I'm gonna do it without the sauce. They're hot, flaky, super sweet, super sugary. Powdered sugar's going everywhere. That's how you know it's a good beignet. Because if you look like Scarface afterwards. Really good. Definitely get them.
All right, we are so full right now.
I want to go take a nap. I need to go rest in the room. Oh my god.
Emeril's Bistro, $13.96 here on Carnival Mardi Gras has honestly been the best food.
Rivaling the Steakhouse from last night, but honestly, for the price, this far surpasses the Steakhouse. Like, Steakhouse is a good value,
Yeah.
but Emeril's is just much, like, it's $10. The most expensive thing on the menu is $10.
And y'all saw, we ordered a lot of food.
I mean, other than the peel and eat shrimp, which is market price, but like the sandwiches, $10, $7 to $10. The sides are cheap. The starters are cheap. Everything is so good. You can order just a bunch of different things and try them, and you will get so full. I need to go take a nap.
You're gonna have to roll me out of here.
I ate like 6 beignets, and I'm ready to go take a nap. I need a nap.
All right, let's go.
All right.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us out. We're a brand new channel, and any help is greatly appreciated. So until then, we'll see you on the next recess.